Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Biscuit Rakhi. This delightful craft is a wonderful way to express affection. First, gather your simple ingredients like your favorite biscuits, some icing sugar, and a little milk. Also, prepare fun decorative elements such as edible glitter, colorful sprinkles, and small candies. Make sure your workspace is clean and all your tools are ready for a smooth crafting experience. Now, let's create the base for your beautiful Rakhi. Take about 10 to 12 biscuits and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a blender for speed or a rolling pin for a more hands-on approach. Next, mix these crumbs with 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk until a firm dough forms. Then, roll out this dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch on a non-stick surface. With your biscuit dough rolled, it's time to shape and decorate. Use a small cookie cutter to create charming circular or other desired shapes. For the icing, combine 4 tablespoons of icing sugar with just 1 teaspoon of milk, mixing until it's thick and smooth. Carefully apply this delicious icing evenly onto each biscuit shape, creating a perfect canvas for your creative designs. Finally, let's add those special finishing touches to your Biscuit Rakhi. Adorn your iced biscuits with a sprinkle of edible glitter, vibrant sprinkles, and tiny candies. Once decorated, allow them to dry completely for at least 30 minutes so the icing sets firmly. To complete your Rakhi, simply attach a colorful thread or ribbon to the back of each biscuit using a small dab of extra icing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.